1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Sharon! Ay, tapos na ang event. Siyempre, meron tayong Sharon. Sharon again. Check natin ating Sharon. Sharon number 1. Sharon number 2. And then, ulam. Sharon number 3. Charan! Charan! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 Sharon! Maraming salamat kay Ria, Chuma, Class, and Cedric Malif. Maraming salamat, Tiwala. God bless.